how to buy GOLDBRICK token. Now this token came under the symbol of GBCK. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, one of these updates, you can see this post they reposted from the MEXC listing. So as you can see, the official announcement, GOLDBRICK token is listed on MEXC. State number 1 is excited to reveal that the time number 1 say EX where GOLDBRICK will be listed, and it's MEXC. Listing date February 24, 2025, and the time it will be 12 p.m. UTC. So exchange under the MEXC official. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You'll be able to find the referral link. Go on, create an account on MEXC under it to benefit from rewards and fund it to some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, go to your MEXC account, log into your account, and now go back to this post and just copy this token symbol from here, as you can see. Now go back to your account and in the search, just paste it, and you will be able to find the pair. As you can see, click on it. Now just wait a few seconds to load the page of trading. As you can see, you need to wait until the 10-hour countdown. So after that, what you need to do, just click the limit, and as you can see, click here, set here how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you will be pay. If you select the markets, you can drag this to see how much you want to percentage that you want to use that you see to your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy GBCK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.